Hey everyone, check out the Goture fishing backpack, designed with durable 600D waterproof Oxford fabric for all-weather protection. This spacious 45-liter backpack features four 3600 tackle boxes and an adjustable main compartment with a foldable padded partition for organized storage. It includes 8 PVC lure pockets for easy bait access, plus multiple pockets for sunglasses, water bottles, pliers, and more. The backpack also has rod holders and rubber non-slip foot pads to keep it stable on any surface. Comfort is key with padded breathable back support, adjustable foam shoulder straps, and a chest strap for a perfect fit. A reflective stripe enhances safety during nighttime adventures, and a rain cover keeps your gear dry. Perfect for fishing, camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity where you need reliable storage and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.